Okay, so we're going to get into a few HMI alternatives, a few ways that we can allow the user or the operator to interface with our system aside from just the traditional screen. We already have an idea of what an HMI is. It displays system values from our PLC in a graphical form or as a chart or as a value, something that allows the operator to see his process, and it allows him to send information into the PLC to establish set points, to change times and speeds and temperatures and various parameters of the process. However, the mechanism to do that can come in a lot of shapes and sizes. We have the traditional screen like this that we're used to seeing, that we all want to learn how to program, and it's actually very simple to do that. However, a lot of those dedicated screens are $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a piece. So it's not exactly an unimportant price to pay. Look at this Micrologix 1400 PLC, which we've been working with programming throughout this course. And do you see the LCD on the front of the unit with the up, down, left, right, escape, and OK buttons? That display can actually be programmed from within RSLogix 500 and used as an HMI. So it actually has its own HMI built in. Maybe it's somewhat of a crude HMI, but with that little screen and a little bit of program, you can do everything you need to with an HMI. Now consider this. A little 2x16 LCD display costs maybe $10, and 4 microswitch push buttons cost maybe 20 cents a piece. And this can be turned into an HMI with a little bit of programming and a little bit of wiring. But an HMI can be as cheap or as expensive as you want it to be. So I just wanted to put that in your mind, that not every project needs a $4,000 10-inch screen to govern the processes and allow the operator interface. Chances are the operator's probably not even going to touch the screen unless he absolutely has to. If the operator's going to be standing in front of the screen several hours a day, then yes, I understand the need for a large, comfortable, ergonomic display. But if your operator's going to be touching the system once every month to read a value or change a set point, let's not get carried away. Give them a cheaper HMI, cut the cost down on the project, win the bid. Okay, time to get off my soapbox. I'll see you in the next lecture. We are going to get down and dirty with these HMIs. See you then.